If x divided by 4 plus 8 equals 7 and 1/4, then which of the following is equal to x? To solve this, we need to isolate our variable x, and to do that, we're going to need to simplify and do opposite operations. Let's start by writing this out. X divided by 4 plus 8 equals 7 and 1/4. Let's start by changing this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, so it's a bit easier to work with. We'll go around the clock. 4 times 7 will give us 28, plus 1 will give us 29 over 4 is the improper form of this fraction. So we have x divided by 4 plus 8 equals 29 over 4. Now what we need to do, if the goal is to isolate our variable x, we need to subtract 8 from both sides. These will cancel out, leaving us with x divided by 4 equals. To do this subtraction, we need to find a common denominator. In this case, since we're subtracting a whole number, this is the same as 8 over 1, we can just multiply by the denominator of the first fraction in order to find a common denominator. So we need to multiply the denominator and the numerator by 4, and that will give us 32 over 4. We'll replace this fraction. So we're doing 29 minus 32. We're subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number, so we're going to end up with a negative number. We're going to end up with negative 3 over 4. Now the final step to isolating our variable is to do opposite operations. 4 is being divided by x, so we need to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. And let's multiply by the inverse. So instead of multiplying by 1 over 4, we'll multiply by 4 over 1. And we need to do that to both sides of the equation. These 4's will cancel out, leaving us with just x on the left-hand side. These 4's will cancel out as well, leaving us with just negative 3 over 1, which is the same as negative 3, making D our correct answer.